Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Toyota Yaris's Bluetooth system. First, ensure your Yaris is safely parked and the engine is running. Next, grab your mobile device and make sure its Bluetooth function is turned on and discoverable. Finally, access your car's audio system by pressing the phone or setup button or navigating through the touchscreen menu. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick pairing process for your device. Now, let's initiate the pairing. On your Yaris's multimedia screen, select Bluetooth from the menu. Then, choose the option to add new device or register phone. Your car will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Simultaneously, on your phone, open your Bluetooth settings and look for Toyota Yaris or a similar name in the list of available devices. This step is crucial for both devices to recognize each other. Once your phone detects the Yaris, you'll likely see a confirmation code or passkey appear on both your phone and the car's display. It's important to verify that these numbers match. If they do, confirm the pairing on your phone. Your Yaris's screen should then show a message indicating a successful connection. This means your phone is now registered and ready for hands-free calls and audio streaming. If you encounter any issues, try these troubleshooting tips. First, restart both your phone and your Yaris's infotainment system. This often resolves minor glitches. If problems persist, delete any old or unused devices from both your car's and phone's Bluetooth settings, then attempt to pair again. Sometimes, outdated software can cause compatibility issues, so ensure both your phone and car's systems are updated. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below for links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.